Hey again everyone, this is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and today I'm going to give you a little tip on how you can scrounge out a little more power out of your solar panels if you're doing a tracking array, something like what I've got here. Uh, Now when I put this up, originally I wired my solar panels so that this one and that one there and that one there were in series string. And then of course that one there and that one there and the two end ones were in series too. And then I got to thinking, last night I was sitting down just thinking about stuff. As the sun comes up over the trees in the morning, um, it's casting a shadow on these solar panels here. And as the sun is rising above the trees and stuff like that, the shadow disappears slowly and slowly. But what's happening here is if any one of these panels in this string is shaded, it knocks out the whole string. So what I figured was, instead of having it wired like this, if I wired the top panels together in series and the bottom panels in series, at least in the morning as the sun is rising above the trees, the first thing it's going to do is it's going to illuminate the top ones first and then the bottom ones. Whereas the way it was wired before, it wouldn't be until the sun fully cleared the trees that I'd have full power from the solar panel. So now that I've got it rewired so that the tops and the bottoms are wired separately together, at least I get who knows how much more time, maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes more power coming out the solar panel at full power, having it wired up that way. So because as the sun hits the panels, it's going to hit the top ones first, and then as it clears the trees, it'll come down, and then finally hit all these here. So I'm giving myself a little extra power in the morning and the afternoons by wiring it that way. Now, unfortunately, my other tracking arrays are set up where they're standing straight up and down rather than like over here. So I can't do anything with those on that. That wouldn't make any difference rewiring that any different. So anyways, I thought that was something some of you might find interesting, and that's about all I got on this one. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.